In this video, we're going to look closer on a fill tool. We can select in our tool window, and as we select, you'll notice right here we have our fill windows change with new properties. The first is opacity, and it is how much opacity we fill it. So of course it will go from fill a little bit, 17%, and then we're going to 100%, it will fill with 100%. So this is a change. Tolerance, it's how much of the specific color will be selected. So right now, if we set our tolerance to 1, actually let's go to 0, and for example, we have it some stroke. And we have it same stroke, so let's select a little bit gradient for the stroke. This one will work a little bit better. Okay, so right here we have our gradient for the stroke done. Let's go back to our and tolerance set to 0. I will go back to the color. Select maybe orangey color so we can see. And notice when I fill, it just feels closer to that selected. So as I'm increasing my tolerance on the fill tool, it's start feeling more because it's selected more closer to that color. And of course you can have it 100%, which you get closer and closer to fill all of the colors. And next we have an anti-aliasing, and this is help when you fill with the edge how much it's fill up closer to the edge. So right here you can see when it's filled with line and strokes, it's making this edge softer. If we have the contagious selected, and this way it will select only adjusted areas using same color. And if we have an alpha channel, then we can select used alpha. In this case, it's used alpha channels just to select for those pixels which will be filled. Of course, a lot of things with fillet will relate to our palette panel, but need to know the palette panel not necessarily will work with just a fill, it's work with also brushes and everything. And next we're going to look on this palette.